Hi everybody and welcome to another Made Up in May. I'm going in with Blackout from Urban Decay and I'm going to stamp that all in my crease, and I'm sort of blowing out the shape, so when I get to the other side you'll see that I'm sort of flicking out the black as well. But at this stage it is just about building up that pigment, getting the shape that I want, and you know, getting my flick at the end right. There is no forgiveness with black, so take your time if you do decide to recreate this. Then taking a clean small fluffy brush, I'm just going to buff out the edges, obviously because I am using black and I am going in with variations of greys. I just want to make sure that it is a bit blended around the edges first. Then I'm taking this dark grey from Devinah Cosmetics. I will link the name, list the name down below, I just can't remember it off the top of my head. And I'm going to stamp that all along where I put the black and just a bit above it, and then buff it in. Just building up that colour. I then take the brush that I had blackout on and just make sure that those two colours are merged. Then taking another Devinah Cosmetics shade, this is a lighter grey, again I will list it down below, and I'm going to buff that above the other grey and just make sure everything is blended together and pretty. Now I do take some of the shadow and concealer off my lid and then clean it up with some more concealer just to make sure the cuts are nice and sharp. Is that the right word? Sharp? You know what I mean. And I do buff that out at the edge with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going in with the Max & More Eye Primer from Home Bargains. It's only £1 this, but it's a really good base for pigment. And then I'm taking Rose B Orion. And oh my god, wait till you see it. Oh, it's just beautiful. I do have a discount code for Rose B. It's a Bex 15. I will link it down below. It's not affiliated. It's just a code to save you 15%. I'm then going in with the blackout, just buffing out that edge, and I do go on an angle. And I am taking a little bit of the first dark grey shade as well, and just buffing that in at an angle, but I do kind of go over it with the black brush as well. Now I'm taking the Wispy Winks, I think it's Halo glitter gel liner, and I'm just going to do a line where I did the cut because I felt like it wasn't clean enough, but so I added this. You can tell in certain lights, but I don't know if you can tell here, but it added a little summit. Plus I like using them. Right, I cleaned up my under eye and I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bakerie pink gel liner. I think it's called Strawberry Gelato, and I'm going to put it all in my waterline, and then I go in with the Dun Blonde pigment, neon pigment in Laffy Taffy. Unfortunately, I have a bit of a problem. My eyes started watering and the pink neon would just not stick to it, so what I ended up having to do was mix the gel and the neon together and then put it on, but my fat head got in the way of the filming so you couldn't tell. Anyway, I'm buffing the black and the greys all in my bottom line now because I was going way too fast for my explanation then. So that's just that. The one thing I will say about mixing a gel liner with a neon pigment is use more of the gel liner because they are very dry in a neons. I'm going in with Poseidon and that neon again, and I've mixed them together to make a beautiful shade, and I've put that in my inner corner. And then I'm going in with the Kim Tai Cake Face Beauty Lashes in Lionhearted. Also, I did want to point out that neons are not actually meant to be for the eye area, so proceed with caution. I'm not advocating using it. I've just personally not had a problem, but if you don't feel comfortable doing that, don't do that. That was just an FYI. Anyway, this is the finished look. What do you think? I love this. I think it's beautiful. The cool with the pop of pink. Oh, just beautiful. So if you have enjoyed this, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys!